You have 24 hour. Every people have 24 hour. I have 24 hour. So why some people has been well-known, famous, rich, millionaire? Why? Why not me? Why not you? Because of you do follow up average person. Like your surrounding people, 99% do those things. You follow up those things. Like 99% people is not consistency. They haven't consistency. They haven't patience. You follow up them. Stop that right now. Follow up 1% people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, those type of people. So time is the gold. Time equal money. So how many suffering you get doing good thing in your time, do continuously that. So like if you do exercise every day, it's giving you pain, like it's hard to do every day. So do that. So number one, I would share with you follow up and learning from 1% people, learning from rich people. Those are right now are successful. So like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, those type of people, follow up them. And number two would be for you, never quit habit, good habit, especially if you do exercise, continuously do that every day. Never quit. Quitters never win. Winner never quit. Keep in mind that. So every people will have been successful, but they haven't consistency. They quite quickly. They quite quickly. Every people has been whatever they want. Every people want to be. Every people has been a rich millionaire. You need to have consistency, and you don't need to be quieter never win. Keep in mind that. Number two, never quiet, good habit especially. Number three is take pressure. The how much pressure you get, the how much take you risk, the how much get you experience, the how much get you learn, the how much get you earn. So take pressure. It help you a lot of, like it's help you when you in pressure zone and comfort zone. At that time you learn a lot of things. Without uncomfort zone, you are fucking nothing learn. I have experience about that. When you are in like comfort zone, at that time you are happy, fucking hee hee ha ha, no, nothing learn from your life at that time. When you are in pressure, you see real world. You see in your eye that what happened with me and what the meaning of all of things. So you can understand at that time. So keep in mind these three topic: follow up, good person, and when you're making choosing friend, a lot at that time, never choose toxic friend. And number two is never quiet, good habit. If you are feeling suffering at that time, never quiet. How much suffer you will get result of all of thing that everything pay you. Your suffering, your sadness, your heart to do work is pay you something if you have control. So number three is take pressure, take risk. So doing these three things. So I'm hoping you will get something from this video. I will hit 100 video, and yeah, appreciate you to watching my video. And I never quit. I said quitters never win, winner never quit. I never quit. My entire life would be publishing video on YouTube.